Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can leverage short form content combined with artificial intelligence, so AI, to generate buyers and sellers organically. And these two topics are extremely popular right now, and you're missing out if you don't adapt and change your marketing strategies for 2023. So just before we dive in, I want to present myself. My name is Piotr Suchecki. I'm the founder at realdigital.com. And we help real estate agents scale their business by using reverse prospecting and video sales ladder. Now, enough about me. Let's jump right into it. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what is short form content, why is it super crucial in 2023, the equipment that I personally use to record my own videos, using an app versus hiring an editor to edit your videos, and integrating artificial intelligence in the whole process. So using ChatGPT. So what is short form content? Short form content refers to digital content that is brief, concise, and easily consumable. Example of short form content would include videos. Okay, so videos that are between 15 seconds and 45 seconds that are straight to the point, giving valuable information. And most of those videos have edited caption to grab the consumer's attention, as you can see right here. So these are my own videos that I used with an editor to post them online. So why is it crucial in 2023? So first thing first is increased visibility. So by creating and sharing short form content on social media, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience organically. This can also help you generate more leads and build your brand at the end of the day. So you can just imagine yourself nurturing a pool of buyers and sellers with short form content and getting new business consistently because of it. Now, the second point is engagement. So short form content is more likely to generate engagement from followers and potential clients. So for example, it could be a short and informative video of you making a tour of a property that is more likely to be watched and shared than a lengthy written description that, let's be honest, no one ever really read those anymore. And the last and most crucial point is establishing expertise. Okay, so by creating and sharing high quality, informative, and engaging short form content, you can establish yourself as an expert in your field and build trust with potential clients. There's so much competition out there and everyone is really doing the same thing. So short form content is relatively new and really a few agents are using those methods to scale organically. All right, so now let's talk about the equipment that I use. So first thing first, it's a no-brainer. It's a phone. Everyone has a phone. I have like an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and a little ninja trick is that when filming those videos, instead of putting the tab on video, you put it on cinematic mode. So what it does like a blurry background and it looks super, super nice and appealing. A ring light, so this costs anywhere from $25 to $55 on Amazon, really cheap. Microphone, I would use a wireless microphone that you clip on your shirt. These can range anywhere from $100 to $400 depending on the quality that you want to have. But $100 is enough to make good videos. Like you won't see a big difference between one that is 100 and one that is 400. A phone tripod, okay? This one is anywhere from $20 to $35. And what I would do if you have space on your desk or in your office is buying a ring light with a phone tripod. So the phone would go right in the middle, and right here, you're saving a $25 instead of buying a tripod and a ring light. And last thing on the list is LEDs light. Okay, so these can range anywhere from $30 to $100 depending on how many you buy, the quality of them. And this just give a nice background when you're filming those videos. As you saw before, I have two. I'm using one that is red and one that is blue, mixing them together so it makes a really nice background when I'm recording those videos. All right, so now let's talk about using an application to generate captions versus using an editor. So hiring someone either part-time or full-time to record your video. So if we look at the application, I mean, this is like a really budget-friendly way to make videos online because those applications, I would tell you, cost anywhere from $10 to $20 per month. Also, one advantage is that you have no wait time. So for example, you record a video, you want to edit it right away, you want to share a piece of content on the internet right away. You can take the application, edit the video, and boom, post it. Okay, so it's super, super fast to do. And it's also customizable. So you can change your text, you can change the color of your text, you can add some emojis. It takes a little bit of time to add those emojis, but I mean, you can really do whatever you want on the application. And the other option is hiring an editor. Okay, so this is what I did because I just don't have time to play with the application and play with the text and edit every single videos. So hiring an editor, it will cost you around $300 to $500 per month, depending of course on how many videos you put out there. So I think it's about $15 to $25 per video. So if you shoot, for example, 10 videos per month, so $25, that will be $250 per month. So it's not that bad, and also it's more appealing. So the video that you saw before are really more appealing. They're more nice. The text is bright. There's images. Okay, there's more going on in those videos. It's also time saving for someone that is busy as me. I just don't have time to edit those videos like I said before. And if you're a high performing agent, I'm sure that you also don't have time to edit those videos. So it's a great way to delegate that task to an editor. And also it creates enhanced credibility. So by using an editor, you look just more legit online, you look more professional, and your videos will just get more reach because it's higher quality. All right, the last and final step is using artificial intelligence. Okay, so this is a topic that is, we talk about it every single day. We see it online every single day. One thing that is super cool is that it's accessible for us, for the consumer. So I use ChatGPT, nothing new. I'm sure you heard about this application months and months ago. So how can you use AI in short form content? So first thing first, you can use it to create ideas. For example, you could ask ChatGPT, hey, write me 5 topics on real estate. Okay, then you could take those topics, and as you know, you're knowledgeable, you're the real estate agent, so you know exactly the meat around the bone. So you could talk about those topics for at least 30 seconds, and boom, you have your short form content first video. Next one is generate scripts in seconds. So you could ask ChatGPT saying, hey, what are the 5 most important things for a first-time home buyer before purchasing a property? Okay, boom, you'll have 5 bullet points with a little bit of text around it. I don't suggest that you read it off because sometimes it's sounding a little bit weird, but you could take the main ideas of every single bullet point and make your own script in literally 3 to 4 minutes for each videos. All right, so that's pretty much it for today. If you like the video, please leave a like, please comment, and please share the video if you find it valuable. And of course, subscribe to the channel to have weekly marketing real estate videos posted on my channel. Ciao, guys.